Hi, so this is the MySQL Lab 4 Part 2. We have nothing on our MySQL database. First, we want to run keyword extraction to get all the keywords. We have to first go to our Lab 4 Part 1, in which you can see keyword extraction. We run keyword extraction and enter our database password. And you can see that it's like starting to scrape. This is all part from the part 1. It's all part 1's code. Is scraping from Reddit the tech r/tech. Nice. And now you can see from if we select from Reddit posts, let's do limit 2. You can see that. There you go. Start our data right now. To get the topic, we do topic modeling. Right, there you go. And you can see select topic. I think it's this. See, you can see the topic, and you can see its corresponding names as well. There you go. Power space, space world, power space energy. Okay, now to actually what we're supposed to do for part 2. Okay, you can see that everything here, these are a lot of helper functions, but the one we actually want for first one is the text abstraction demo. First, you have to make a results folder just in case, because it will break if you don't have one. See, there you go. You can see there's the model right here, and you can see there's a CSV file with, so for every row it converts into a size 30 vector. Nice. Now the next part is running UpNum.
Yeah, so it looks at the content of the Reddit post. It will look for, I guess, like the optimal number of clusters that it can sort these documents in. That's why it's taking a long time right now, because it's going through the number of clusters, which would include like gathering keywords from it first. So this would show basically like what is the best number of topics that this model can find. The higher the coherence score for these number of topics, the better. In this case, it's about 10, which is probably the max that this model can find. So we're just going to accept that. It will output the number of topics and the keywords of these topics, as well as snippets of the documents that belong in this cluster. And we'll also output an HTML file that just shows, again, these clusters and guess number of tokens or documents inside, as well as the keywords for each topic.
And third one, the automation.
So for this one, what it does is basically to combine what we have done already, but to make it an automation part. So we're gonna enter the interval through which we want the automation to continue. So for example, we can use 1 to quit, which means that we're gonna do everything after 1 minute, and then after another minute, and then quit. So we connect to the MySQL server. It is scraping and storing data. And initially, we already use keyword extraction to scrape from Reddit posts already. But when we run automation.py, it's gonna drop the table that we already have. So as we can see now, it is an empty set. It is gonna take some time to scrape the data, and then it's gonna add it back to the MySQL table.
It's taking some time to scrape, pre-process, and store the data. Now it's waiting 16 seconds.
Okay, so now if we check the table, we can see that it's already there. So this is gonna wait for 1 minute because we put 1, 2, which means that we're gonna do it after 1 minute, do the automation after 1 minute. So we're gonna wait 60 seconds, and it's gonna do the same thing again. It's gonna drop the table that we already have, and it's gonna try to scrape the data from Reddit again and add it back to the table. Yes, so if we check the table right now, we can see that it is empty again because we just dropped the table. Now it is taking some time to scrape.
And it should, there you go. And you can see.
Okay.
Oops,
Yeah.
There you go.
So
100
yeah,
rows again.
yeah, it's being scraped, and users are able to change the interval based on their manual entry. But right now, for demo purpose, we just show 1 and 2. But users can modify it to whatever number they want.
Part of the assignment is for the user to enter like keywords or like a message which acts as a new document to, I guess, like find clusters and put into a cluster. So in our case, we're going to enter things like ML, tech, AI, brain science, data, and other stuff, just to like see what this document would be like placed into.
You can see that 9 has the highest coherence score, which is the optimal number of topics. See? There you go.
All right.
And now you can also see that there's everything back again. And you could see that on results, it's the Dr. Beck representation. And you can see the clusters that are 9. See? There you go. That's how it works. Thank you.
Yep. 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 Thank you.